Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to safely perform a clean boot on Windows 11. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, power on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Make sure Windows 11 is completely ready before moving forward, as you'll need full access to your system settings for this process. A clean boot helps you troubleshoot software conflicts by starting Windows with only essential services, which can be incredibly useful when diagnosing performance issues or identifying problematic programs. Once your PC is up and running, navigate to the Windows Start menu located in your taskbar. You'll typically find this at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on the Start menu to open it, and then in the search bar that appears, type msconfig. This opens the System Configuration utility, a powerful tool that lets you control how Windows starts up and what services run in the background. After typing, press Enter on your keyboard. A new window called System Configuration will pop up on your screen. This window contains several tabs that control different aspects of your system's startup behavior. Look for the tab labeled Services at the top of the window and click on it. This tab displays all the active services currently running on your Windows 11 machine, including both Microsoft services and third-party applications. Services are background processes that support various programs and features, and sometimes they can conflict with each other or cause system slowdowns. Within the Services tab, direct your attention to the bottom of the window. You'll see a checkbox that says Hide all Microsoft services. Go ahead and click on this checkbox to enable it. This is a crucial safety step because it ensures you won't accidentally disable any essential Microsoft services that Windows needs to function properly. By hiding these services, you're protecting your system from potential startup issues while still being able to disable third-party services that might be causing problems. Now that all Microsoft services are hidden from view, you'll only see non-Microsoft services in the list. These are typically services installed by third-party applications and software you've added to your computer. Look for the button labeled Disable All and click on it. This action will disable all the remaining services in the list, leaving only Microsoft's essential services active. This is what creates the clean boot environment, allowing you to start Windows with minimal interference from third-party programs. After disabling all non-essential services, you'll need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Click Apply, then OK, and your system will prompt you to restart. Go ahead and restart your PC. When Windows loads back up, it will now be running in a clean boot state with only Microsoft services active. This stripped-down environment makes it much easier to identify whether a third-party service was causing any issues you were experiencing. And that's it. You've successfully performed a clean boot on Windows 11, creating a stable environment for troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.